TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 67. You get the Nasdaq up 23. S&Ps are up 8.5. Gold contract up $3, trading at $12.56 an ounce. You have silver up 10 cents, $17.22. Platinum is up $5, $9.54 an ounce. We have the copper market up 3 pennies, $2.60 a pound. Light sweet crude down 22 cents, $51.14 a barrel. Notes: 10-year note up 4 ticks, 126.06. 30-year bond up 7 ticks, 153.23. Now, both notes and bonds, folks. Bottom line, yesterday, rejected lower price once again. They go topside, have volume behind the move. These things are going after their higher swing points. King dollar still having a hard time holding price. King dollar's down 102 ticks, 97.045. The euro is at 112 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 111.77 to the U.S. dollar. We get over and we take a look at the SPY. You get it at an all-time high. The SPY is trading at 241.37 out here today. We'll see whether this 240.67 holds. What you did yesterday, you got up over this level, and you had a contraction of volume. It was pretty amazing. You're talking about 49 million going into the 170 million of the downdraft, plus the 149 million, which was established on the 1st of March. We take a look at the Dow Industrials now. The Dow is going to get intriguing. The reason being is that this is the first time that the Dow finally has taken out a high since March 1st. You know, the Dow has had 4 lower highs. This morning, the Dow got up to 21,090. That took out the high that was generated out here on the 16th, as well as the 9th, as well as the 26th of April. So we'll see whether it can hang up at that level. Also, volumes contracting in a huge way. NDX 100 and the Nasdaq Composite, they're both at highs. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract, once again yesterday, rejected lower price, goes topside after the Fed come out with their minutes. The market is basically buying bonds, buying the metal, saying that this Fed is not going to go up as fast as it seems that they're saying. The gold contract yesterday went from a price point of $12.47 to $12.58. At the 2 o'clock mark, you're at $12.56 right now. And this is pushing into the swing point with monster volume. We've already done 109,000 contracts, and that's a big number, folks. That's saying that the gold contract is going to push into the swing high with 200,000 contracts. Gold looks like it wants to run up to this 1297 area. Right now, we were 1256. And silver is doing the exact same thing. Silver rejected lower price yesterday, had the volume behind the move, has the volume today. You've done 32,000 contracts already. That's saying silver's going to push into about 120,000 contracts, which is a big number. The notes and bonds continue to say that no matter what the Fed does, they're buying them. We are at 126.06 on the 10. The high of the last 6 months is 126.20. So we're right there. The volume, huge. We've already done 912,000 contracts in the 10-year. That's saying the 10-year is going to do 2.3 million contracts. When you're pushing into highs and that volume keeps expanding, folks, bottom line is that that's not you and I. That is a monster buyer that's coming in that market. And it's not just the 10-year. The 30-year is the exact same type of setup. They're pushing in with the 30-year. We've already done 140,000 contracts there. Normally the 30-year is about 250. This 30-year is going to end up with 300, 350 today. That also is pushing at volume. And if we go over to good old King dollar should have been able to do a counter trend bounce. Bottom line, can't get going. King dollar right now laying right at its lows once again. The low thus far has been 96,700. Looks like it's going to go right after it once again. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.